sight to behold. But it's what's deep within that matters most, so let's start there. The hybrid emblem proudly displays our dedication to a better future with a striking blue, elevating its visual appeal. The already eye-catching bi-LED headlamps have their design further accentuated with well-placed blue accents. This color you see? Celestite Grey Metallic. It's only for the hybrid variant. But what excites me most is the performance. The new engine is designed so that heat from friction, weight, and noise are reduced. Now that we've had a look outside, let's look inside for even more features. The electrochromic rear-view mirror darkens and absorbs excess light so that you won't be blinded by the glare from the car behind you. A car this advanced deserves an upgrade in comfort too. With a dual-zone auto air conditioning, the front passenger and driver can set different temperatures to their liking. The new eCVT has an enhanced gear system which suppresses noise and contributes to cabin quietness while providing greater fuel efficiency. This drive mode switch lets you customize your drive just the way you like it. Want even more fuel efficiency? Eco mode would be your choice. How about even more acceleration? The Sport mode has that covered. Coupled with the Toyota Hybrid system's greater handling and stability, you'll have an exciting drive you won't want to miss. But one mode I find really neat is the EV mode. It runs the car completely using the electric motors, so I can drive in complete silence. Plus, no carbon dioxide emissions. Besides the new hybrid model, the Corolla Cross also has a new petrol version. Both the all-new Corolla Cross and Corolla Cross Hybrid are now locally assembled, and both share the same excellent features. They're built on the TNGA platform. This gives them greater stability, agility, and visibility. The bi-LED headlamps and LED daytime running lights offer full visibility, be it day or night, so your vision of the road ahead is clear. The thin spokes of the 18-inch rims complement the rest of the sleek design. And just like a cherry on top of a cake, we have the roof rails. They may seem subtle, but they enhance the aesthetics significantly. Both models share a similar refined interior. But the key difference is the multi-information displays. Only the all-new Corolla Cross Hybrid has a 7-inch display for a more advanced feel. The auto rain sensors turn on the wipers instantly when water is detected on the windshield. Just a little convenience that goes a long way. The all-new Corolla Cross Hybrid and Corolla Cross let you access your favorite apps and playlists on a 9-inch screen. These models have so many features for everyone's comfort and convenience. Even the rear seats can be reclined. Ever have that moment where your hands are full, but you need to open the back door? The kick sensor will sort it out. See? It's that simple. And check out the space. Ooh. And in the spirit of keeping things simple, it's even easier to keep track of your car. These models come with a vehicle telematics system that lets you track your car's crucial information, including its location, with an app. As a parent, it's second nature to be concerned with safety. No worries here. This is mainly thanks to Toyota Safety Sense. The pre-collision system alerts you of the car in front. Lane Departure Alert warns and assists you if you exit your lane accidentally, while Lane Tracing Assist makes sure that you never stray away from the center of your lane. With a dynamic radar cruise control for all speeds, you'll always be at a safe distance from the car in front. And with the automatic high beam, you'll never accidentally blind another driver. It goes to low beams when an oncoming vehicle is near. There are other safety features too, like the 3D panoramic view monitor. It makes it simple to check the surroundings, so parking is no problem. The blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert senses things in your blind spot, whether you're driving on the highway or getting out of a parking space. I certainly feel more secure when driving with the front and rear digital video recorder. Of course, you want the whole family to be safe, and that's what the best-in-class 7SRS airbags are for. So there you have it. This is what the all-new Corolla Cross Hybrid and Corolla Cross have to offer. But wait! There's actually a hidden secret in these models. There are 24 Corolla Cross emblems hidden all over for the owners to find. Here's one of them. Now, the only thing left is to choose the color. If you want a car that's packed full of advanced technology and equipped for the future, then pick one of these models today.